Introduce highlight features and overview summary of MOOSOO Electric Air Fryer Oven 1500 watts. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. MOOSOO multi-function air fryer with 8 preset menus, can cook a variety of food. The smart digital touchscreen clearly displays various functions, combined with the rotary button, easy to use. You may air fry, bake, grill, roast, toast, and dehydrate, one key operation, very suitable for beginners. With 360 degrees super hot air frying technology, fast heating of food, you can enjoy crispy food in less than 30 minutes. The circulating hot air cooks evenly and locks the moisture in the food, giving the food a deep fried flavor, but it can reduce oil by up to 80%. Less oil air frying will bring more healthy fried food to your dining table. 1500 watts high power heats the air too quickly, which can cook food faster and save you waiting time. The large LCD touchscreen has time and temp settings. Combined with the rotary button, you can adjust the time and temp it will according to the recipe. Temperature range is 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the time range is 0 to 30 minutes. The air fryer has passed UL certification, is safe and durable. It is equipped with automatic power off and overheating protection function, ensure the product works safely and well, even children can use it with confidence. And we provide a 1-year warranty period to ensure that the product serves you better. The basket of the air fryer is coated with a non-stick coating, and it is detachable, easy to clean and dishwasher. Heat-resistant handle and stainless steel shell design, beautiful and durable. The air fryer oven comes with 4 accessories, silicone pad, food clamp, gloves and 100 recipes. It is more convenient to use, and you can make various dishes at will. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.